I don't know what I'm doing here. It is almost 2 a.m. I should be in bed, but I am not. I am here wearing a cosplay, presenting I don't know what. Welcome to the Love Life Maid Kitchen, where your maid cafe dreams will come true. Most likely. But actually not, because I just wanted to wear one of my older cosplays because I love it so much. It is so cute, and I am in fear that I will not fit into this cosplay anymore, like tomorrow. And to celebrate that I wear one of my favorite maid cosplays, I wanted to actually make something. If I would have a maid cafe, what would I serve there? And the first thing that came into my mind popped up in my mind, is a melon pun. Do you know what a melon pun is? Okay. Mine will not look like that. Just to make it clear. Mine will not look like that, but it will still be tasty. Probably. Or probably not. I'm gonna die. I have to go out. I have to get out of this cosplay. So let's just start. Move over. Transition. Whatever.
If you believe it or not, before we start even to have any maid shenanigans, we have to actually make the melon pun, the sweet bread. And for that, we just put a lot of ingredients into our mixer and it will just do the rest. We mix, and mix. Let the dough rest, like for a long time, and then we start mixing again. Pay attention. The dough needs to have this kind of a consistency. You see that? You pull it and then it pulls like this kind of way. A little bit bouncy like a trampoline, and then it's finished. It's perfect that way. Now it's the perfect time to tackle the next step, like this kind of doughy diamond shaped stuff upon the melon pun. That's what we're gonna do. It's like mostly made of butter and sugar. It's very tasty. If you baked cookies, like those shortbread cookies, that's kind of a consistency. This is just like cookie dough. It's just like beautiful, tasty cookie dough, and that's what we're gonna make here. And this is actually all what we're gonna do for this step, like making little balls. Take those balls, make them, make them rest for a little while in the cold, because we will take them and make something else out of it later on. And if you did everything right, not like in my case, I did everything wrong, it seems, because my dough didn't rise at all. Why? I don't know, maybe too much of flour? This could be a problem, I guess. But you will be surprised later on. You will be surprised. You know, this dough got kind of so much rest that I actually got jealous. Here, once more, it's gotta rest. When do I get to rest? I don't know. While the dough is once again resting, we will shape our little cookie dough balls into little flattened pancakes. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And we take those pancakes and put them on our little risen after they rested, melon puns and carve the diamond shape into them.
Oh shit. Holy moly. Despite everything, those guys turned out to be pretty nice. Goodness, look at them. Whoa.
It is a spontaneous decision, but I wanted to be a little bit fancy and make some kind of a cream so that I could put this cream together with a lot of fruits together and make like this fancy melon pun thing that you see sometimes cute little maids do, you know. It does look obviously cute, maybe not mine, but what they can do, it looks cute. So I wanted to do the same, and this is the fancy thing. Just because something looks cute doesn't mean that it tastes good. I would have rather just had the melon pun, but you know, it's all for the gram. Look at this. Look at this cute little thing that looks like it's puking. It's puking like vanilla cream and fruits. Amazing. It looks so great. Does it look like a cat? No, it doesn't. But it is my very pukalicious cat.
I think it is cute. It's supposed to be a cat. If you don't see a cat, go to hell. I don't care. It is beautiful. I'm finished. It's 2 a.m. I want to go. Oh, I want to sleep. Maybe I should eat it. Yeah. It's 2 a.m. I made my own Maid Cafe dessert, so I'm gonna do that. And as the tradition obliged me to do, I will do the thing to make the dessert, to make the food more delicious. My, yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I will go to hell for that.
All in all, it was a fun nightly maid endeavor. I always wanted to be a maid on those convention maid cafes, if you know what I mean, but I was never overly fond of people, so that wasn't good. And now I can scratch off the maid part off of my bucket list. And if you like this kind of content, why don't you consider to subscribe?
What are we doing today? Well, this is it. This is it.
Welcome to my tiny kitchen. What happened to my hair?